What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Anyways, today, I actually finally got 5 Goomer fruits because if you've seen my previous video, I only had 1, and if I'm doing a giveaway, I said I would get 5, but now I got 5, and also we're gonna be nuking some children, cause why not? It's fun. I enjoy it. And why the hell are the Northern Lights here? Let me do this. It's time to nuke. If I can. Oh. Let's do it to black team. You know? My next door neighbor with red. No. I'm still getting used to the controls of this thing. If I don't. Let's see. I think it was this one. Okay, there we go. Anyways, as I was trying to do. Oh, come on, buddy. Why'd you leave me here? Blue is trying to move on. Okay, he's small. Red body neighbor. Why do all of you guys have these things? Red, no, don't start it. Green. What's up? Well, you left the game, you know. I can't drop it. I am loose. Oh my god, okay. Dropping the bombs. It's a lot harder than I thought it would be. That's what no, I need to start learning how to drop some bombs. There we go. It's not the best, but it's good. Okay, time for the better troll thing. It's gonna be my beautiful car. My beautiful RC car. Troll time. Oh yeah, this one was a little too complex. I'm going to show you how to build these things. This one was a little hard, so I'm not going to show you how to build this one. But I'll show you how to build the previous one. And we found our target. This one works a lot more better. Hi, Green. You know, I don't really like you. Yeah, I think I can see some bits. Anyways, here's how to build the plane thing. So first, you need to get these jets. Oh yeah, and they cost like 4,000 gold. Then, after you have that, or you could just buy the Robux one for 500. It used to be 250, but I guess they taxed us. So first up, you want to put like some TNT down. I recommend 3 to 6 TNT. Then you want to get like this block. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's called. And then get our jets, if I can find them. Then we just place them down, like so. If you want to color them, you can. And after that, you need to add the driver's seat. Oh, you can put another person on here, just I think using this seat will be best. Anyway, it's time to bomb some children. Oh dang, okay, so you're supposed to press the red finger. I don't know why the hell it's not working, but it's supposed to work. Because it worked last time. Anyways, guys, I'm Nathan, and I'm out. Peace.